Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I am Dr. Bhumika Makhuri. Let's look at today's top medical news. Workplace bullying sleep impact spreads to partners, reveals study. Workplace bullying affects not only the employee's sleep but their partners too, according to new research published in the Journal of Interpersonal Violence. Exposure to bullying by superiors and or colleagues has been linked to a variety of negative health outcomes, such as sleep problems. Now research by the University of East Anglia, UEA, in the UK, and Complutense University of Madrid and Seville University in Spain sheds light on the short-term consequences of workplace bullying on various indicators of sleep. These include waking up too early, sleep severity, interference with daily life, sleep impact, and dissatisfaction with own sleep, sleep satisfaction. The researchers aim to examine how bullying at work impacts insomnia and to test the mediating role of anger rumination, which involves repetitive, persistent thinking about distressing events such as bullying. The love connection. Dating apps drive surge in cosmetic enhancements. They're the modern way to find love according to the 323 million people who use them worldwide, but dating apps are fueling an obsession with cosmetic surgery that may not have a happy ending. A new study by researchers at the University of South Australia has shed light on how dating app female users are far more likely to undergo cosmetic procedures and digitally alter their looks on screen than non-users. The emphasis on appearance, particularly with the swipe-based apps, plays a role in influencing 20% of women to change their looks via dermal fillers and anti-wrinkle injections in particular. UniSA Bachelor of Psychology, Honours, Graduate, and Provisional Psychologist Naomi Burghardt, who led the study published in Computers in Human Behavior, says that while the increasing popularity of dating apps has reduced the stigma of using them to find love, there is a downside. Genetic breakthrough restores vision. Infants gain new sight. 4 young children have gained life-changing improvements in sight following treatment with a pioneering new genetic medicine through UCL Institute of Ophthalmology and Moorfields Eye Hospital with the support of Mirac's. The outcomes of the new treatment, reported in The Lancet, show that gene therapy at an early age can dramatically improve sight for children with this condition, one that is rare and particularly severe. The children were born with a severe impairment to their sight due to a rare genetic deficiency that affects the AIPL1 gene. The condition, a form of retinal dystrophy, means those affected are born with only sufficient sight to distinguish between light and darkness. Mother's acetaminophen use linked to elevated ADHD risk in children, says study. The risk of developing ADHD was 3 times higher among children whose mothers used the pain relief drug during pregnancy, according to a study published in Nature Mental Health. Prior research shows that upward of 70% of pregnant women use acetaminophen during pregnancy to control pain or reduce fever. The drug, which is the active ingredient of many pain relief medications, is one of the few considered safe to take during pregnancy by the US Food and Drug Administration. The new findings suggest, however, that doctors should reconsider prescribing medications with acetaminophen to mothers during pregnancy, the researchers said. Most of the prior studies asked women to self-report whether they had taken Tylenol or anything that contained acetaminophen, said Ledwather Brennan Baker, a researcher at Seattle Children's Research Institute. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest update.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.